Good evening, welcome to today's video. Welcome to a very cold evening in London.
Oh, you don't even sound that excited, Francis. It's an exciting day. Welcome to today's video.
We're going to Rouleur Classic. You're covered in fluff.
I know.
There's one in your armpit, let me just get it.
It was everywhere.
Hello, Francis. Welcome to Hydrovision Optics.
We hydrate it and we paint glasses. All custom designs. There's loads of different designs. It was founded by Tim about a year ago. Tim is over there somewhere. So fun.
He's on the phone with his iPad.
I've got an iPad.
And you dip them.
We dip them
in a kitchen sink.
It could do it.
I mean a hydro bath.
A hydro bath. You dip them under it, keys to the surface. That's it really, you lacquer over the top and there's your finished product.
So we started last November and now we've done over 120 pairs for all sorts of people. We've done national champions, yourself. We sell Oakleys through our website. We also have our Instagram where we post loads of photos. We have 100%, we have Oakleys, we also do helmets. So we do a huge range of stuff. We hydro dip them and we also custom paint them as well. Hydro dipping is a film you put on the water, and what you do is you paint the glasses, you have to strip them down, and then the final process is you dip them through a special film which puts on this pattern. So we have about 500 different designs which we can print onto the glasses, and then we lacquer them to protect them, and then we send them off to the customer. So it's a process that allows you to have very intricate designs. So you have all sorts of flowers and camouflage designs and anything like that. And it allows you to print any technical, complex designs onto glasses at a relatively effective, cost-effective price. So it's open to everyone. We charge £45 for a custom dip, or we can sell you the Oakleys ourselves direct through our website. Then your own. It doesn't have to be Oakleys. It can be 100% cast glasses, POC. We've done
helmets.
Yeah. So we've done all sorts of helmets, laser helmets, cast, gyro, simp, stuff like that. So we literally do anything.
Well, I'll put a link down below.
Thank you.
I don't know anything, but cool, mate. I'm really excited for it. That's awesome. That's wicked, mate. Really good. We're going to have you killed and stuffed. It's going to be called Human Taxidermy.
Ah, that was my idea.
Yeah.
And you're going to be killed and stuffed. Not me.
No, Chris.
Chris, we'll stuff Chris.
We're going to stuff him with you.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh man.
Hi. Can you tell us about this?
Yes, sure. Okay, so we're Hexo.
Yeah.
We've just launched today.
Today?
Yeah, today. This is a fully custom 3D printed helmet. So this is 2,900 layers.
Layers?
So
Of what?
we use laser sintering.
Cool.
Layers of helmet.
Right.
So it's based off a scan. So we take a 3D scan of the cyclist's head. So hold tight here.
Take a scan of the head.
Yeah, you sit down there.
You can scan them.
Yeah.
You scan him.
Let's go scan him.
Scan him.
Scan.
You have a way bigger head than normal.
Way bigger head.
It's like off the Richter scale.
Off the Richter scale.
Bigger again. So this is over double the safety of any helmet made with expanded polystyrene foam.
It's double the safety.
Yeah, so it's 68% more energy absorbing than a polystyrene foam helmet is. This is actually made for curved surface impact, whereas a polystyrene foam helmet assumes your head is a flat surface. So this spreads energy in a much more efficient way. The other benefits are it's 8 times more thermal conductive, so with that
That's
hair,
useful.
you're not going to get a really sweaty head when
Yeah.
riding.
Which I do get.
The other things is our shells are interchangeable, so you don't need to have like 2 or 3 helmets for different where you just have different shells. It's really great.
So I can have multiple shells depending on my mood/kit options.
Exactly.
That is
Different colours.
Mate, that is nice, because I either wear black or darker black, so I can have 2 different
Yeah.
shells.
Who is taller, Daisy or Jess?
Measuring.
We've been trying to work this out for ages, but I think this is the ultimate test.
Testing it, go on, it's in.
Put it in the comments, who's taller? Comments.
It's a good day today.
Yeah.
It's a long day for me. I start this morning at 4 o'clock from Italy. I come with the bike from Italy. No, sorry. Come with the TTG, but this is my personal bike. This is the Evolution. Is the Aero bike. The only one piece. For more stability in front of the bike is very easy to turn, to descend. It's very precise.
This looks it's the same size as my bike. I might just take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got to keep an eye on it, mate.
It's Brompton. Shiny, shiny green paint. That's all.
Got anything to add?
No.
Nice red saddle.
Red saddle.
Why am I getting involved in this?
What are you all doing?
Oh my god.
This the cyclist version of Will Girling, isn't it? If you were to be a professional cyclist.
Wow.
Wow.
It's like an 80s porn. If you brushed your hair, this is what it would look like.
So guys, what are you gonna do?
Well, obviously
You're
like a boy band.
Sing together?
Welcome to Sigma Sports at Rouleur. A limited edition Vesco on display as well, which is very, very, very nice. A little secret. Well, it's not a secret. A little tip. This bike has unicorns on it. Down here. I would buy this bike purely for unicorns. They do custom geometry as well as custom paint, and yeah, we saw them at the shop. Very, very, very nice bikes.
Is it true that Fesca won't sell you a steel frame unless you already own a carbon frame?
Correct. They are a big believer in their carbon frames. So the idea is that you buy a carbon frame and then you're allowed to buy one of the other bikes, which is kind of, it's interesting, but it's really, really cool.
Because their carbon frame is their best offering, is that what it's about?
Yeah, they massively believe in the way they make the carbon frame, the carbon layout, the design and manufacturing of them. Wait.
You don't even know where you're going.
It's like a maze. I feel like this is now where I live. A little bit further. How pretty is this?
We have walked all the way from over there to come and see this.
Oh, fantastic.
But you've got to tell us about it.
This was painted by an artist from Valencia called Philippe Pantone. His work starts around £25,000.
What?
Yeah, ridiculous, right? This took 7 months to paint. Every single little tiny little pixel is individually painted and lacquered.
And this is being auctioned off.
Auctioned off for World Bicycle League. Every single penny is going to World Bicycle League. It's an alloy strip, so it's actually aluminium, so you can race this in crits if you wanted to, not that you really want to. Stock, it's about £8,000. We went to Sotheby's, do you know the biggest auction house? They auction like the Mona Lisa and everything like that. And they were like, oh, Philippe Pantone, we sell that kind of stuff. They estimated that it's worth £35,000.
£35,000 bike. I'm about to touch the most expensive bike I have ever touched.
Romance are pretty incremental to this whole thing. Like, we didn't actually know the artist at all. Like, we knew who he was, but we had no idea how to get in contact with him. Romance, Adam.
You guys made this happen.
We do a jersey once a year
Yeah.
for charity. So we get an artist involved. We've done it for 2 years. All the profits go to World Bicycle League. And this year, so we worked with Philippe on a jersey initially. And then there was talk of shoes and helmets and stuff. And Specialized got involved with us, and we decided to do a frame.
So the jersey sold out, the quickest jersey we've ever sold. So that sold out in 5 days. So he's talking to Specialized. We're like, if that can sell out in 5 days, then can we do even more for charity with a bike? If we sell this one bike, which is like a piece of art that we've created, then World Bicycle Relief can turn that into like hopefully hundreds of bikes that can go out to villages and communities across Africa that can help people to like get to school, get to work, and like access healthcare and food, and like really transform lives basically.
The auction opens on the 17th of November. It's open for 10 days. Am I right, Andrew?
Correct, yeah, correct.
It's open for 10 days. Link through our website, rmnc.cc, or updates at rmnc_cc.
Link down below.
It's going to start at £0, it's going to start at low price, and then anyone could bid up. But Martin Johnson's been along and spoken to Andy earlier.
Don't start this.
So whatever Martin Johnson puts in, Matt Barbette.
Can't say this.
Matt Barbette's going to equal it.
We'll
For
hold
charity,
him to
so
it.
every competition.
Well, Matt Barbette said he'd double it. He said he'd double whatever Martin Johnson says. So I don't know what that means. Maybe it's mortgage.
It's all for a good cause. It's all for a good cause. So basically, Matt, put your hand in your pocket. Martin Johnson, beat him, and then let's see what he can go for. Anybody else out there?
What's going on?
Budapest, mate.
So yeah, we're in Budapest, having a bit of a break. No bikes, minimal camera. We've got 3 more days here, so no more videos, but today we're taking the chance to go and check out some cool scenery. Wanted to make a quick announcement that in December, myself and Daisy are going to be going to the east coast of America. I think we're starting in New York City. Driving down the coast, we're going to take bikes with us and have a cool adventure. So if you can give us any tips of what we can do along the way, comments below.